YouTube just announced something that honestly scared a lot of creators, and for good reason. Right now, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized, but starting February 1st, 2027, those watch hours are doubling to 8,000. That is a big jump, and if you are not monetized yet, I completely understand the panic. But here is what I actually think, and I genuinely mean this. If you are in the right niche, you do not have to work double, you just have to work smart, because the right niche can get you to 8,000 watch hours faster than most people hit 4,000 in a boring one. You still have around 6 months, and if you follow my exact methods, the current 4,000 watch hour criteria is very much achievable within that time. Now let me show you why. This channel, Fern, has 5 million subscribers, making anywhere between $5,000 to $50,000 every single month from YouTube alone. Fern makes deeply engaging true crime documentary-style animated videos exploring real dark cases, unsolved mysteries, and shocking real-world events that, to be honest, people interested in real crime stories and incidents love to watch. Then there's another channel that entered this exact same niche just 1 year ago using the same character style, and they already have almost 300,000 subscribers, pulling $2,000 to $15,000 monthly, with every single video hitting hundreds of thousands of views. And the best part is that by following the method I will teach you today, you can literally use this visual format into any niche of your choice besides the crime documentary niche. This is going to be the most unique and in-depth tutorial you will ever find on this topic, so before we jump in, check out this video I made.
December 11th, 1978, 3:12 a.m. A Ford van pulls up outside Building 261, Lufthansa's cargo depot at JFK International Airport. 6 men in ski masks step out, and they use bolt cutters to open the gate. A key, supplied days earlier by cargo agent Louis Werner, opens the door.
If you are using ChatGPT or Gemini, that is fine as well, but if you want the best possible results, I would suggest you use Claude. To get the most out of Claude, I have prepared a highly advanced pipeline, and trust me, this is the best pipeline you will find on all of YouTube for this particular format. Later in this video, I will show you how to get this pipeline completely for free. All you need to do is copy this pipeline from the document and paste it inside Claude, and once you hit enter, Claude is going to equip itself and learn all the skills needed for this pipeline. You will receive a confirmation message, and as you type continue, you will get a list of niches. Now, these are not ordinary niches. I did the niche research for you and listed the 10 best niches that will work extremely well for this specific format, starting with our primary niche, which is true crime documentary, and other niches like what if documentary, real life horror incidents, disaster documentary, and many more. You can check the full list yourself and go with your preferred niche, or just explain your own niche to Claude. As you type continue after niche selection, Claude is going to do a bit of research on that niche and then provide you with a list of topics that are currently dominating in that particular niche. Once you select a topic, the next thing Claude is going to ask you is to decide your video length, which ranges from a minimum of 3 minutes to a maximum of 20 minutes. After you select a video length comes the most powerful part that no one actually pays attention to, but it matters more than anything, which is research on the topic. Unless your topic is perfectly researched, you cannot make a real factual video, and Claude is going to take care of that in this next step, where it will search the web for the topic and all related dates, events, people involved, and everything needed for the script. Once you have the research brief, you can even cross-check it with Google AI, and results will be 95% plus accuracy, which is perfect for our video. Next, as you type continue, you will get a perfectly written script which will start directly from the date or specific detail of the event, so you can rest assured that no time is wasted on introduction or boring topic reveals. Once you have the script, make sure to read through the research brief to gather a solid understanding of the topic, and then copy-paste the script into your notepad or document and rewrite a few lines in your own specific tone. This will give the overall script a humanistic touch, and trust me, viewers, do analyze this. The next part is actually very interesting because you have full freedom to decide after how many seconds you want a new clip in your video. If you want a very fast-paced video, you can go with 2 to 3 seconds per clip. If you want a normal speed, go with 4 to 5 seconds per clip. And if you want to make a relaxed, slow burn video, go with 6 to 7 seconds per clip. Once you finalize your per clip duration, Claude will break down your script into beats, and for every beat, there will be a new image. So depending on your script length and selected duration, your total number of images can vary. Now, what most people do after getting beats is jump straight to image prompts, and this is where generic results come in. To completely avoid generic results, I have added 2 steps between beats and final image prompts. After beats, as you type continue, Claude will go into visual director mode, where in the background it is going to visualize your script as a perfect Netflix-style documentary. In this process, it locks a specific color vibe and character combinations to make the overall feel like a professional production rather than a basic video. In the next step, it is going to finalize your characters for proper character consistency. Since our characters are faceless, we add consistency through hair, beard, and clothing to make each character stand out. Once you complete all these steps, Claude will write you the image prompts, and now this is what we call a professional blueprint for making highly professional videos. If you are finding my efforts valuable, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. For getting this master pipeline, visit my Discord community. Link will be in the description. Then head to the prompts channel and look for the pipeline named Faceless Cinematic Pipeline. Before we jump into visual designing and animation, let's get our animation prompts as well. If you want perfect results, you need a separate animation prompt for each image. As you hit continue, Claude will write you the first 10 animation prompts for the first 10 images. It is best to get animation prompts in batches of 10 at a time to avoid mixing and confusion later on. So once you have the animation prompts as well, let me show you how to achieve the most realistic possible quality and animations. For this purpose, I am going to recommend an AI tool that I personally use for studio quality animations called AZ8. And there are 2 main reasons why I am suggesting this tool specifically for this niche. Let's find out. Once you are on the dashboard, make sure to create a new project. And once you land on the editing canvas in the center, you will see a bunch of options, which you can use to create images, videos, 3-dimensional scenes, and even background music. But let me show you the method I use, and you should definitely use this method too. On the side, you will see a chat box, and as you click on it, you will have a chatbot named Zoomy. Now, this is what I like the most because we can chat here unlimited for free and discuss and plan everything about our project. So first, we will start a conversation, and I will ask Zoomy that I want to make images using Nano Banana Pro in 1000 resolution in 16:9 format. And the most important thing I am going to ask Zoomy is to make sure all images are consistent, especially character consistency, to properly analyze the image prompts and, if needed, do minor tweaks to make the final images top-notch. Next to your command, you can paste your image prompts, and I suggest pasting 10 at a time to avoid confusion. As you provide the image prompts, AI will start creating them all at once, which literally saves a lot of time and effort. Let me take you straight to the results. Just check out the character yourself. It is looking way better than I expected, and the consistency is also remarkable. Following the exact same method, you can create all of your images. Now, let me tell you the second main reason why I use this AI tool. First of all, whenever a new model is released in the market, I get instant access to it, and that is a big advantage over the competition. Secondly, we have Seedance 2.5, and I really wanted to share with you guys what Seedance came out with this time. As soon as I saw Seedance 2.5 in the list, I wanted to show you guys the results. So now, as we have the images, I am going to copy the first 10 animation prompts and ask Zoomy that these are the 10 animation prompts in sequence for the 10 images we created above. I will ask Zoomy to use each animation prompt for its correct image and animate it. Since we want the best quality, I will ask Zoomy to tweak the animation prompts so that no animation feels incomplete or senseless. Besides that, we do not want any morphing, glitching, distorting, or teleportation in our video, and we will tell all of our requirements to AI. The most important technique now to make our video feel like a movie is to ask Zoomy to carefully analyze all the images, and if two particular images can work as a first and last frame, then merge their two corresponding animation prompts into one and animate those two images as a single video. We will allow Zoomy to keep the duration of clips at 5 seconds if it is just image to video, and 5 to 10 seconds if Zoomy is combining two clips together as first and last frame. These are some advanced techniques to bring the most realistic depth and animation into our video. As we provide these instructions along with the animation prompts, AI is going to start animating all images in sequence one by one, and we will just sit and wait for the final videos to be ready. Now let me show you the animation we got, and just look at it yourself. It already feels like it was animated by a professional in a heavy editing software, and that's exactly how you can animate all of your images. There is another powerful secret I want to reveal, and that is sound designing. Most people ignore and skip it, but it is just as important as any other part of the video creation process. We will provide Zoomy our entire video script and ask it to create instrumental background music that matches the vibe of the video. We will tell it our video length and command it to create as many tracks as needed to cover the full video and match the overall atmosphere. Zoomy is going to break down our script, actually read it, analyze it, and then create specialized music for our specific video. People literally charge big dollars for this kind of information, but I am providing it to you for free, so maybe give a like, please. When it comes to voiceover, there are many free options available in the market, but the best free option right now is 11 Labs. Once you are on the dashboard, just copy and paste your script in paragraphs rather than pasting the whole script at once. Take your time and pick a good voiceover character, and before you generate, make sure to click on the Enhance option to add humanistic depth and emotions to your overall voiceover. Then listen to both versions that 11 Labs will provide you and pick the one that sounds more humanistic and engaging. Import all of your material on the timeline, and when you place the voiceover on the timeline, make sure to get rid of those big silent areas and keep the small ones so that the pacing is fast as well as natural at the same time. Once the voiceover is completely arranged, listen to it carefully and then place and arrange your clips on the timeline. Now, most people start overthinking at this point and over-edit because they think if they just use these clips without adding anything extra, YouTube will not accept their channel for monetization. Listen, your clips are already highly animated and over-editing is just ruining everything. Leave the clips as they are and do not add transitions in these type of videos. You can try different effects to make clips more cinematic, like camera effects or CCTV effects where they suit best. Make sure to add captions to your video, and in final place, the music you generated earlier, and adjust its volume so it is balanced and not overwhelming. Let's watch the video.
December 11th, 1978, 3:12 a.m. A Ford van pulls up outside Building 261, Lufthansa's cargo depot at JFK International Airport. 6 men in ski masks step out, and they use bolt cutters to open the gate. A key, supplied days earlier by cargo agent Louis Werner, opens the door. Inside, employees are forced into the lunchroom and handcuffed on the floor. A supervisor is made to open the vault. No alarm sounds. Cash and jewels are loaded into the van, methodically, without a single shot fired. 64 minutes later, all of the men are gone. $5.875 million taken, the largest cash robbery in American history at the time. What followed was not silence. Werner was convicted. Almost everyone else linked to the crew died or vanished within years. The money was never found. Neither were most of the men who carried it out.
If your packaging is not good, meaning your title and thumbnail, no one is going to click on your video, and this is why most people stay stuck at 0 views. To solve this problem, head back to Claude and ask it to continue to the next step, and Claude is going to write you highly defined thumbnail descriptions in our specific faceless character style. You can generate your thumbnails using AI, and I already generated 3 thumbnails in AZ8 using the 3 descriptions that Claude provided, and the results are literally mind-blowing. In the final step, when you type continue, Claude is going to write you a personalized SEO package so that your video reaches the correct audience, and it also provides you a selection of titles that will help in getting those clicks. That was the entire pipeline, and if you want to learn these professional Vox-style animations, make sure to watch the video popping on the side of your screen.